Good morning, ladies. Welcome to my bedroom. I'm not going to call it a boudoir because it's certainly not that, and I'm not showing you any more of it than is strictly necessary. But I did promise that I would show you my holiday wardrobe before I went to Madrid, and hopefully we'll get a chance to show you me wearing it whilst I am there. Thank you for all your interest. I've never really seen myself as a style guru, but here goes. So, the basics. At Artichoke, we are running a series of blogs called Meet the Artichoke Girls. And the first question that every member of staff has been asked is whether they wear big knickers or small knickers. I haven't been asked the question yet, but I think you can see my answer here already. The other important thing for any wardrobe, not just when you're going on holiday, particularly if you are well endowed, is scaffolding. And here is mine. As you can see, it's completely hideous, but it does keep my boobs above my knees. I was intending to buy some new pants to go on holiday, but as the go-to lingerie store here in West Norfolk is Waitrose, and when I popped in there I picked up knickers that were decidedly not big. I might have to make do with what I've got. Okay, so the next essential in my wardrobe is my white jeans. I've got several pairs here. You can spot the new ones on the top because they're slightly whiter than the rest. I find that I pack the same amount for a week as I would if I went away for a month. So there are going to be quite a lot of clothes here because what you don't want to be doing when you're away is doing any washing, and you do want to be looking completely gorgeous. So 4 pairs of white jeans, and here is my lovely Bcharmd necklace. I think this is in... I actually bought it for the winter, so this is probably in its 3rd year, and it just lifts any outfit, winter or summer, that I might have. I did promise you some new clothes, and you can see underneath these piles this lovely tunic from Cotton Brothers, and I've picked this because of the ladder back. It's £55. Cotton Brothers are a fabulous Portuguese company that we've just started working with this season. And I'm going to put this with a pair of my white jeans with this lovely choker style necklace from Dansk that has just arrived, and my TK Maxx specials from last year, which are pretty knackered, but when I went to TK Maxx there weren't any to replace them this year. This, ladies, is my 50th birthday present to myself. I bought it just when I was just over 51. My husband still hadn't given me a lovely present, so I bought it myself from the Suffolk show several years ago. And these, you'll see me wearing these a lot. They need a bit of a polish, but these are my twisted silver bangles. Both these bangles used to be paper openers, letter openers. And if you go on to Twisted Silver's Facebook page, you'll find lots of fabulous things like this. So that's outfit number 1. I think this could be my travelling outfit, girls. So here we have our Anna Montana jeans. The white jeans are all Angelicas. Some of them I've cut down, some of them are 7/8. As you know, I'm a big fan of Angelica jeans. This is my lovely Ralph Lauren belt that my daughter persuaded me to buy 8 years ago. Obviously doesn't owe me a penny. And here we have my sale bargains from Moda and Pele with my little bionic insoles in them, because sadly I am orthotic woman. Moving quickly on to this bomber, which I absolutely adore. This is from White Label. It's another current season piece, and it's £129. And underneath it I've got one of my little Model vests from M&S. This again is new. I tend to wear these as vests in the summer and t-shirts, sorry, in the summer, and vests in the winter, and I go up 2 sizes so they don't show my lumps. Moving swiftly on to my James Lakeland Batwing top that I pulled for the winter because it's so lovely and sparkly, but I am going to wear it with white jeans on holiday as well. probably with my Vionic flip-flops from last year, which is why they don't look completely pristine. On to dresses. Now, I don't know if you can see this. It's going to look a lot better on. It's from Jest. It's got a jersey top, and can you see it's a floaty chiffony bottom, so it's absolutely fabulous. Just swiftly moving around, crunching over plastic bags that I haven't quite put away yet. Onto my Clarks specials. These are in their 3rd season. A bit grotty, but they're so comfortable. And when I went looking for a small wedge for this season, I couldn't find one, so we're making do with this. Ancient Levi jacket, enough said, they're fabulous. This is my little James Lakeland dress for this season. It's £79, made in Italy. And can you see it has that lovely boho look, ladies? Worn with my SENCE necklace from the winter. Moving on to my Zara purchase last summer. This lovely oversized shirt. Showing on that occasionally we do wear some things that don't come from artichoke, but not that often. Navy tees to go under my Oscar B jacket, which must be in its 5th or 6th summer because Oscar B don't exist anymore. Another James Lakeland bit of gorgeousness. You can't see how lovely and floaty it is, but when you see it on me you will be truly amazed because it's great for people with tummies. And here is my FREEQUENT shirt from the winter. You will remember me wearing that with the lovely button detailing. I'll be wearing that with my faded jeans. And last but not least, I can't believe I'm doing this upside down, but this is my navy shirt from Milano this season, which is £72. It's got the lacing detailing, which was so strong last summer, but I love it, so I've moved it in to this summer. And it's got an uppy downy hem at the bottom, which makes it incredibly easy to wear. So I've got quite a lot of clothes for 5 days. Let's see how many of them I actually wear. Have I told you I'm going to Madrid on Sunday? I'm so excited, I can't wait.